Since then, academics have consistently emphasized that rapid technological advances have the potential to prevent technology from displacing the world's human workforce. Problems started to arise when robots started to appear and do human work. Currently, robots have become the biggest thing in the fields of medicine, agriculture, home maintenance, exploration of space art, and have even helped humans. For example, a hospital in Wuhan, China, uses humanoid robots developed by Silicon Valley company Technology Cloud Minds to fight disease, treat injuries, monitor patients, and more. Not only that, we have also summarized other robots that have been developed and are expected to disrupt the global labor market in the future. Are as follows. Number 7. Robot Serena. Researchers at the University of Tehran have developed the humanoid robot Serena, which is an innovation. When the first time Serena was mentioned a decade ago, she wasn't too unique compared to other similar robots. But the Serena 2 and Serena 3 in 2015 saw improvements in running and major expansions in capabilities. The Iranian robot made his debut at Serena 4 earlier this year with a robot that demonstrated the ability to mimic a person's pose, to hold a water bottle, and even write his name on a whiteboard. Adult size, Agile Serena 4 is capable of face and object detection, as well as voice recognition. It can even run at a speed of 0.43 miles per hour or 0.7 kilometers per hour. Number 6. Robot Aquanaut. This Aquanaut robot is made by Houston Mechatronics. It has the unique ability to transform while underwater, moving from an autonomous submersible vehicle to a humanoid maintenance robot. In its AUV mode, it can cover up to 124 or 200 kilometers in a single job, completing tasks such as seafloor mapping and wide area inspection. When in ROV mode, two mechanical arms extend from its body, giving it the ability to perform repairs on oil rigs and pipelines in hazardous environments not easily accessible to humans. Number 5. Sony Aibo Dog. Sony Aibo Dog. Aibo Sony is a very famous robot dog since its first appearance in 2018. Nowadays, this Sony Aibo robot dog has become much smarter, thanks to the intelligence of creation. It can even adjust to owner behavior over time. The goal of making this robot is for the Aibo robot dog to behave as closely as possible to a real dog, so that it can perform several activities. The algorithms that give the dog intelligence will be stored in the cloud. This allows active Aibo's sonic dogs to learn automatically, meaning they can all learn from one another. Number 4. Robonauts 2. There are many countries around the world that are developing robots for space exploration. The goal is that the robot can handle the space environment and can be used for various missions. This robot in the future will be used to study potentially habitable planets and even build a place before humans get there. Robonauts 2 is one of the robots slated to perform experiments to help prepare for future missions. Similar robots, such as NASA's Robonaut 2 and Valkyrie, could eventually be used on the Moon or on Mars. Number 3. Honda Asimo. Honda Asimo is considered one of the most advanced humanoid robots in the world, although it has recently been retired. Thanks to its complete system, the Asimo robot can continuously learn from its environment. The two-legged Asimo robot can keep itself upright, stable, and move around in many different environments. The Asimo robot can also learn how to walk in its almost autonomous setting. Number 2. Sophia Robot. This robot has been called a celebrity in the world of robotics. Created by former Disney Imagineering engineer David Hanson, the robot looks like Audrey Hepburn and his creator's wife. These intelligent machines are designed to mimic human behavior and inspire love and compassion in humans. The robot can even express emotions with its human-like face. Since opening in 2016, Sophia has graced the cover of Elle magazine, made dozens of appearances around the world, and has even become a legal citizen of Saudi Arabia. Interestingly, Sophia has been named the first innovation champion by the United Nations Development Programme and the first non-human to receive the United Nations title. Number 1. Package delivery digit robots. Have you ever imagined that a robot will deliver the package you ordered online? Looks like it will happen soon. In recent years, Ford has become the first company to incorporate the Digit robot into its factories. Created by Agility Robotics, Digit is a human-sized agile, headless robot. Equipped with sensors, the robot can navigate stairs, cross obstacles and move across various terrains. This robot can handle and stack boxes weighing up to 40 pounds or 18 kilograms. The robot can also change the way self-driving cars make deliveries. With this robot, maybe one day, a delivery truck arrives, but it turns out that the Digit robot will pick up your package from the back of the truck and walk to your door.